Good afternoon, or evening as it is now. So I'm sure a lot of you have heard me bitch and whine and complain about my webcam, which sucks. That thing. And the camera that I'm using right now, which is just my Canon still cam, just a cheap sub $100 camera, is great for pictures but doesn't take the best videos, and the digital image stabilization and whatnot is terrible. So today, finally, since I retired my Canon ZR series mini DV cameras, I had two of them a couple years ago, I finally have an actual camcorder again. And this one also has the built-in projector, which I will never actually use. But anyway, so here's the box. Not a whole lot. Now I do need to buy a tripod, which I will with my next paycheck. I haven't bought anything big in a long time, but I saved up a little bit, and good timing because I think my webcam is almost pretty much had it at this point. It's got 8 gigs internal memory, 9.2 megapixel camera, 60 times zoom, wide angle lens, well, 26 by 8. So, yeah, we'll see if I can do this one-handed. Often I can't. Oh, there we go. Okay, and actually I already opened this because I was looking at it earlier, but we'll be reopening it again. It's still kind of sealed, so you got all the fun stuff that comes with it. Here we've got our instructions. And here we have the camera itself. Still like that from when I opened it. That in a second. Make sure everything that's in here is supposed to be here. So we got USB cable, video cable, charging cable. Hey, awesome. So everything's there. Now the camera itself. It's definitely a lot smaller and lighter than my mini DV camera. Of course, that cost a lot more when I bought it. But for what it is, now I'm not going to pretend it's a professional camcorder, because it definitely isn't, but it's definitely a fairly substantial step up from what I had. It's got the Carl Zeiss lens on there, and I have to charge the battery. If I get this open one-handed. Here's the screen itself. Hey, so I put in the battery pack, because sometimes they do have additional charge or some residual charge from the factory. So we'll just do our basic setup. English, yes, I said English. There we go. Scroll over. English. Next. Set my time zone. Oh, you know what? I'm going in the reverse direction that I want to. But there we go. You're getting a lesson of the time zones. There I am. Okay, time zone is set. Set to daylight savings. Yep, why not? Next. Set date and time mode. Well, then this means that I have to set the date, and okay. I'm going to pause this for a second while I put in the date. Hey, so we got it set for today's date, August, there we go, August 6, 2015. Next. Yep. Set off. Okay. And open up the lens cover. Can't really see it too well. Yeah, there's the screen. There's a happy puppy. Hey. So, yeah, I will record some video with this, and very shortly I'll have an example up. Probably Lexi will be my first video, which she always is. That would be my puppy there in the background. So, yeah. Awesome. Camera's up. So as always, everyone, thank you for watching. New camera, my videos will stop looking like pure hell. And have a great day.